Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to Benoit's Travelscope. Today, we are in the World Heritage City, Ahmedabad, and we are going to show you the Ahmedabad Heritage Walk today. If you see, entire old Ahmedabad has these poles. The poles are basically gated communities having a gate. There would be a guard over here upstairs, and inside the pole, a community would be there. A community of Jains will have a derasar, Hindus will have a temple, and it was a safe place. The pole also had a lot of escape routes during attacks, so people could escape from one pole to the other. This is Mamani pole. You can see the structure. There's a gate and there's a guard house on top. Now it's a house, but olden days it was a guard house. This is a very unique structure. This is a bird feeding platform. Every pole will have this. This way, nature and humans co-live and coexist together. This is the Kalaram temple. You can see the wonderful architecture. The beauty of this temple is there is no Hanuman over here, and Lord Shri Ram is in Padmasan position. You can look how beautiful the idol is. कितनी सुंदर स्वरूप है. This is a famous Haveli of Harkuvar Sethani. She was known for many of her religious works. This is the Ashtapat Derasar, a very beautifully carved Derasar, a must visit on the heritage tour. This is also well preserved Haveli. Now it's a Dodiya Haveli, a heritage place to stay. We are now going to enter Chandravilas, Gandhi Road, Ahmedabad, very famous for jalebi and the morning breakfast thali. It's more than 100-year-old, famous iconic restaurant in Ahmedabad. You can see the kitchens. They're so neat and clean. Very good for jalebis and a breakfast thali. Do come over. This is the Badra Fort, the fort of Ahmedabad. Now it is closed as the ASI is doing some work. This is the famous Bhadrakali Mandir of Ahmedabad. We are at Manek Chowk, the cow gully of Ahmedabad. You can see so many options here. We'll mention the best things in the description box and you guys can have it. This one is one more Haveli in Haja Patel Pole. You can look how it is. It's now a Kanya Shala, that is a school for girls. You can see the artwork or you can see the carvings that are there. We are now at Kavi Dalpat Ram Memorial. He's a very famous Gujarati poet, and this was supposed to be his house, which is now a public gathering space. Hello, Mr. Umang. Just हमें गुड मॉर्निंग. थैंक यू फॉर फीचरिंग बेनॉइस ट्रैवल्सकोप. हमें बस थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए कि जो लोग आ रहे हैं अहमदाबाद देखने के लिए, हाउ दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट यू, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वॉक्स दैट यू हैव.
वेलकम टू अहमदाबाद। इंडिया के अंदर बहुत सारे हेरिटेज साइट है लाइक ताजमहल, खजुराहो टेम्पल, बट सबसे पहली वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सिटी है अहमदाबाद, जो लिविंग सिटी है जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं। मॉन्यूमेंट में आप जाओगे तो वहाँ पे लोग रहते नहीं है, पर अहमदाबाद में लोग रहते हैं। 2017 में वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सिटी डिक्लेयर हुई है। हमारी जो वॉक है वो स्टार्ट होती है मंदिर से मस्जिद तक की। सुबह एवरीडे 8 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे तक 2 घंटे 2 किलोमीटर की ये पूरी वॉक रहती है।
I hope you like Ahmedabad Heritage Walk. Please subscribe to our channel. We would really like to know what you like to see.